Quarter number 2, 6-point lead for the visitors. They have been dictating the pace of this game. Madlang Bayan. The pace of this game. Madlang Bayan, the oohs and ahs of the crowd. 5 to work with. Oh, good move. Beating the defender, Madlang Bayan. Pressure defense by Zambales. Madlang Bayan, mid-range J. Good shot on that one. Good screen set off the curl action. And the big man. Madlang Bayan with it. Cross-court pass. Cash! Money! Madlang Bayan decides to drive. Oh, good move. Good move against wide left. Madlang Bayan inside. Oh! Ire. Off of that feed and finishing strong. They get close. How do they just build that run? It's about just that spark of momentum that Zambales needs to pull away here. Oh, bullet pass. Looking for. Oh, Madlang Bayan with the steal. Attacking Flores, throwing the foul, and oh, his teammate wasn't looking there. Madlang Bayan. Foul. Oh, big bucket. Is back to within 8.